Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sunkara. This time we are dealing with a case of exhumation and also post-mortem examination. This topic relates to human rights particularly. So while dealing with human rights, I already told you that the State Human Rights Commission, SHRC, NHRC or the High Court can order for the post-mortem examination to be videographed. Same thing happened in Uttar Pradesh. Life, Article 21, life, to protect the life and liberty of each and every individual is the duty of the state. One should not lose his life except as per the procedure established by law. If that is so, definitely the government has to pay compensation. Now incident has come where post-mortem has been ordered on the representation of Chand Mia, father of Altaf, who died in police custody on 9th November 2021. Right. Since the father alleged that he did not have confidence in the local police and also the doctors who conducted the first mortem examination. So now the UP High Court, 2 judges bench, Justice Anjani Kumar Mishra and Deepak Verma on 10th February, that is the day before yesterday, ordered for the post-mortem examination. Right. So, please remember, according to the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, the NHRC, SHRC or the High Court, they can order for the so-called post-mortem examination, and Section 176 CRPC deals with the exhumation. Now we'll go by chronological order. Let us know what happened in the first instance. So just 2 days before November, in the month of November, 7th, 9th it happened, maybe around 6th or 7th, this Altaf was picked up by Kasganj police people on a complaint filed by other person whose daughter was allegedly kidnapped by this Altaf. Altaf was brought to the police station. He was interrogated thoroughly. He admitted that there is a relationship between that girl and Altaf, and the age of the girl was proved to be 19 years. So you may be knowing, it cannot, even though a case of 363 was registered against him, but it cannot stand because the girl is aged 19 years. When once a girl completes 18 years of age, then it is her privilege, it is her wish to marry any person of her choice. In the meanwhile, due to the interrogation or being in police custody, he felt actually sensitive, and as per the police records, as per the version of the police, he tied the so-called lace which was in his hood or pant. Nowadays youngsters, they are using pants by tying the laces also. So that lace was taken out from his hood, and automatically he tied it to the pipe of the latrine or washroom of the police station. Then he committed suicide. So his father was also summoned. He went there. He was stunned or literally shocked to see that how can a person die just 2 or 3 feet above the ground. So for committing the so-called suicide by hanging, normally it should be at a distance of 6 or 7 feet. It is only just 3 feet. He expressed a doubt, but of course it was thrown away, not accepted. Ultimately, a magistrate inquiry has been ordered, judicial inquiry, post-mortem, all these things have been done. But now they are moving from pillar to post. Ultimately, they have filed a writ of mandamus. So you can see the writ petition number also. Somewhere I have written writ petition number 12441 by 2021. So ultimately the matter has been posted from November to December. Yesterday the court has given a clear direction that the re-post-mortem should be conducted because they don't have confidence in the local medical officers, local police like that. So the investigation also, the father of the victim, Altaf, his name is Chandmiya. Chandmiya prayed that he was not satisfied with the post-mortem that was conducted after his son died in police custody. He requested that his son's body be exhumed and fresh PMs to be conducted on the body, preferably in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi. And investigation also should be done by people belonging to other state because he doesn't have confidence. Prior to that, the court has ordered that the body should be relieved. That means the body should be exhumed. What is exhumation? You have to know. Exhumation means when once the body is buried, normally once again it has to be lifted from the grave. So normally our religion sentiments they don't accept, but still as per section 176 CRPC, the executive magistrate has got the authority to order for examination or exhumation. Before that, he has to satisfy himself. That means he has to conduct an inquiry with the relatives or some other who witnesses, and then only he can order for exhumation. So this is all concerned under section 176 CRPC. Please go through 176 CRPC so you will know what is internment or exhumation. Then the PM, the entire process of exhumation as well as the second post-mortem should be videographed. That too with high resolution cameras. Normally, you may be knowing, suppose and some persons in the police station or in shops, there will be CCTVs. So if you want to see them in times of need, they will be blurred, the details will not be known. Therefore, the videograph should be by high resolution cameras. And actually here, another point is also they have suggested that the CCTV footage of the police station should also be brought to the court. So therefore, the judicial officer who is conducting the so-called, who is going to conduct the external, that is exhumation, then they should probe into the case to expedite the inquiry. So magisterial probe also should be completed, I think within 4 weeks they will give. So please remember, this case you can read as Chandmiya, Chandmyn versus State of UP. So now actually has filed a requisition stating or asking the State of UP produce the CCTV footage and to give compensation of 1 crore for the death of his dear son. This is all what happened. So re-postmortem can be ordered by the High Court. Exhumation can be done under section 176 CRPC. Human rights as the powers and functions of SHRC and NHRC, they are dealt with in the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Ultimately, all this reflects to Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which says it is the duty of the state or the state should protect the life and liberty of each and every individual citizen except as per the procedure established by law. If you know these 3 principles of law, it will be sufficient by going through this video. Thank you very much.